Okay, this is actually epic. Right, Everett?
Yeah. Oh, there's a falling down tree.
What? Go back.
There's a million falling down trees.
What?
Carter, please.
Go back. Or
You guys roll the windows up a little bit.
no. Hey, don't lock the door.
Oh, we almost just got smacked.
Everett, unlock the door.
No, we're not unlocking doors, and please roll the windows up. We're not. We actually kind of took a wrong turn. We're going to go take a left up here and go back out towards out from that city area we were at. We should have gone. This is okay. We're halfway to where we're good.
Nature. It's nature. Why should every
Don't get
time
mad. I'm going to roll the windows up.
No,
For a
hey,
little bit, Carter, please.
No, don't, please.
It's too cold.
I'll put my, okay.
It's too cold.
Don't lock
We're
them.
going to stand outside when we get up there.
Well, then take yours off, Ev.
It's close.
Just a little bit.
It's like off-road. This means we have like a Jeep or something.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, this is not a Jeep. This is a Chevy
I know.
Equinox.
And some like big tires.
Oh, yeah. That would be...
And to make you and Dad,
Yeah.
we're in the car, so hey guys. All right, guys. So we are. Hello. This is epic. Oh, driving.
See their parents. Big stuff.
Roads closed. Oh, road works.
Can you roll up your window? I don't like that. Hold on, I gotta pull off.
What?
Because I don't know what that was the road to get to where we're going. I want to see if there's another road. Please, Carter.
Turn this off.
We're in here.
I'm gonna put it back in drive when we do.
Carter, please.
Hug.
Oh, you want a hug? After all the things I did. I love you too, little bro.
I'm playing games on my wall.
Carter, please stop.
I'm just trying to look at this new car.
I'm asking you to stop, buddy, because I got to figure this out. Please stop. Maybe you can't get there right now.
Hey, wait, what?
Maybe overlook.
So we drove 45 minutes for
No, we drove an hour.
for nothing?
Hold on, Carter, please. Please back up.
Better.
We're done.
Give me another hug, Av.
Hang on. I'm playing my game.
Hmm.
I need you to stop, buddy, please. Can you please stop? When I ask you to stop, why do you not stop?
Because I like to play. A hug. Look, Dad, Everett's little bro's giving me a hug.
Where are we going?
Mwah.
Where are we going?
Mwah.
Where are we going?
No, it's not too far up. We'll just go to this. We'll just go to the dune climb straight up this road. Stop, please. Sit in your seat, please. Get back in your seat.
I
Please.
already put it in drive
Get
for
back
you.
in your seat, please.
Do you have enough gas?
Yeah, I filled it up. Scared me there for a minute.
What would happen if we're driving 60 miles an hour down the road and I pushed park, Dad.
I don't think it would do anything, but we're not going to try it. Because if it did do something, it would break the car. If it doesn't do anything, we're not doing it. Why would you think that and think it's even something fun to try or something? It's crazy, Carter. Stop thinking those things. Lake over here.
Oh, yeah.